Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to learn how to create a histogram in Excel. So basically a histogram is a type of chart that is used to create distributions. As you can see in this example, we have a table with three columns. We have the price, the square feet, and the price per square feet of each unit. What we are going to do is that we are going to create a histogram for the price per square feet for our example. To do that, we basically select our data, insert, and here we have the histogram. So once we have our histogram, we can edit what we call the bins. So basically we go to the axis, right click, format the axis, and here we choose the bin width, right? For example, we can choose 20, right? We can choose 10, we can choose 50. All right, so let's keep it at 25. All right, now we can also add the labels, right? We remove the grid lines, we add the labels, we remove the title, right? Can remove this axis. Same thing for the text here, we can decrease, let's say, to 8, put it as black, bold, for example. Here we have the intervals, right? 101 to 126, and the bins are 25 each. Same thing for the chart, we can choose the black color, for example, and same thing for the bins. So what we can say for this chart, for example, is that most of the units have a price per square feet between 351 and 376 with a total value of 6, and the list category is the range from 201 up to 226. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.